If you are learning web development in 2026 the same way people learned it in 2020, you are not early, you are late. And nobody tells beginners this. The path you are following does not lead to a job anymore. Not because you are stupid, but because the ladder itself is gone. Let me say something uncomfortable. Between 2023 and 2026, the biggest role that disappeared was not seniors. It was not AI engineers. It was junior developers. The exact role beginners were supposed to start with. Companies did not pause hiring juniors, they removed the positions. This is not my opinion. This is what hiring data, salary reports, and real engineering failures already show. Here's the brutal reason. Junior developers used to be hired to write boilerplates, connect APIs, build CRUD apps, write basic tests, convert design to code. In 2026, AI does all of that faster, cheaper, and without onboarding. One senior with AI now replaces two juniors. That's already reality. And this is where most beginners get trapped. They are told just learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. So everyone does, which means everyone looks the same. Everyone applies to the same job. Everyone is replaceable. And listen carefully. This does not mean front end is useless. It means front end alone is no longer enough. Pure front end is not dying. Pure front end is already finished. AI is not replacing developers. AI is replacing low leverage developers. If your skill can be summarized as I write what I am told, you are in danger. Before you think AI does everything, stop. AI has deleted production databases, caused global outages, shipped insecure code because AI does not understand consequences. That's why real engineer still matters. In 2026, developers split into two worlds. World 1, same tutorials, same stacks, same salary, shrinking jobs. World 2, fewer people, higher pay, more control, insane leverage. Same developer title, completely different future. Two developers, same experience. One struggle at $70K, the other earns $200K or runs a SaaS. The difference is not intelligence, it's leverage. One competes with AI, the other controls it. Let's be brutally honest. Skill data dying, React only developers, manual CSS UI slicing, no code specialist, memorizing syntax, tutorial only learning. If your plan is I will just master React first, you are walking into a dead end. Skill that win in 2026. Thinking in system, not files. Backend plus architecture. Understanding scale and failure. AI orchestration. Using AI as a multiplier. And this is important. You don't need to train AI models. You need to know how to use AI safely inside real software. If I was starting today in 2026, this is exactly what I do. Learn how the web actually works, not just how to style it. If you want this in depth, I have already broken it down in a previous video. Learn backend fundamentally. Early databases, API, how data actually flows. Use AI daily, but verify everything. Never trust output you don't understand. Build small real system. No tutorial clones. Tutorial clone is copying Netflix or Google UI and etc. A real system is a login, a database, error handling, and deployment even if it looks ugly. Think like an engineer, not a code typist. A code typist asks, what code should I write? An engineer asks, what breaks if this fails at 3 a.m.? That difference decide your future. The path is harder, that's why it still pays. 2026 is not forgiving. It won't reward effort, it rewards leverage. Web development is not dead, but the old path is. And the people who don't adapt won't even understand why they were left behind. The real question is not will AI replace developers? It's will you upgrade fast enough to survive it?